Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's July 3rd, and look at this. Our mountain has disappeared from all the clouds coming through. Had light rain, chance of rain most all day, and I think we had a few snowflakes already coming through here. Temperature was in the 50s. That's what the weather forecast said, but I think it was colder than that because you can see your breath as you're walking around. What a difference a day makes. All right, it's supposed to be gone by this middle of the afternoon, so we'll see what happens. More clouds coming in. Just had some campers come in, going to be in a tent, and I told them campfires are allowed, and in this weather, they're recommended. They just came up from Vegas, and they're wearing shorts and t-shirts, and they quickly put on their coats and pants. But more rain coming in across the lake. I just had to help a camper too. He had an issue with his camper, so I let him borrow some tools. Another part of the camp host job is to make sure people can leave the campground. We're just about to be covered up by clouds. Get too close to my rain fly and have water dripping off of it. I had a fire going this morning. I'm going to let the rain put it out. The rain is welcomed because it will help with the trees that I planted and the grass. Yeah, we're going to be fogged in before very much longer. Well, let me add a couple more things to my lost and found here. Let's see what I found. Frisbee. I got about 3 of these. Brand new one. Anybody needs a Frisbee, hit me up. I've got. Somebody's going to be upset when they get to the next fishing hole because there's a top of the fishing rod. So found that down there. Yep, it's in pretty good shape, but I don't even have a fishing rod. And what else? Oh, here. Found a charcoal starter. Got the inside of it kind of cattywampus, but I can rivet that back pretty easy and use that. This was left by a fire pit, and I think because it was damaged inside, that's why they left it. But yeah, I can use that one. Already got one, but I can use another. You can never have too many fire starters, chimney starters. Let's see. That's about it on the. Yep, that's it. Going to be on the lost and returned for this episode, or lost and found, not returned. Lost and found. Oh, I just want to say happy 4th of July, everybody, from Zen and I. And remember, no fireworks allowed in federal campgrounds or federal national forest. So everyone have a safe and happy 4th of July. And thank you for not shooting off any fireworks in the national forest. And also Zen really thanks you because he doesn't like fireworks. So we'll end this one. Say thanks everybody for watching. See you guys all around the campsite.